See this hyperflashing. That's just hazardous. It's not even. Alright, I need to get this relay with adjustable resistance under here to get it working right, to get that click out or the speed. You pull that out, you get that. Looks like there's a spot here. Is that a flathead? I think that's a Phillips there. What happened? So I want to get this guy out. Alright, one right there. There's a plastic screw. I know. So that's out. It looks like, oh, there's one right there. It's a regular Phillips. Right there. And hopefully that's it. Let's see. And someone's ground wire there. That pops out. Okay. Ooh, that was too easy. Okay. Oh. Yeah, tell them be careful. There's an extra wire here for something I don't know. Oh, I think it's this dude. Looks like. Okay. I'm gonna say that dude right there. Can you see it? Right there. Let's see that. It's in my hand. Jeez. All right. Not a lot of room to work on this. Okay, oh jeez. No, there's no room. What was it? What happened is that this is like in the shell, the whole relay, and I was like trying to yank. I thought this was only stopping right here, and I was trying to yank this out, but actually it's a sheath, and it goes like that. So now we're gonna jam the harness right there into here, but it's not gonna snap, it's just gonna slip in because there's nothing to hold it. So I would probably zip tie it. The harness won't fall out. Let's see how tight it is. Oh. happened? Oh, that's not gonna go anywhere. Holy shit, I think I might dangle it. I might dangle it from underneath the, it's right here. I might dangle it from underneath the dash like that to control the speed. So anyways, oh jeez. Let me see that. What's the matter, dude? Yes. This is right there. Let me see how fast it changes. Oh yeah, you can hear it. Can you hear it click? You can make it go fast. One Mississippi, two Mississippi, one Mississippi, two Mississippi, three, one Mississippi. So that's super fast. One tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Let's see. Maybe a little bit faster. Huh? That looks better. Oh, okay. That's it. Whew. What are you doing? Hi. You gonna close my door? Thanks. He likes closing doors. Uh-oh. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Alright. I'm cool with that speed. It's a nice speed. Alright, so that's about it. Thanks for watching. So that's about it. If you want to get rid of hyperflash, that's how you do it. You don't want to use resistors. You just want to go right to the source. And right there. I'm going to probably, like I said, hang it. It's not going to really pull out. Oh, that sounds dirty. But it's not going to fall out. See? You can tie it more if you want with a zip tie, but that should be good. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Peace out.